So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and I'll be showing you how to pair and connect these headphones to your Android phone. Now this is very simple. So make sure the headphones are off. If they're currently on, turn them off. So you can do that by long pressing on the power button. Now they're off, and you can tell they're off because the voice prompt says they're off, and you can see there's no light here. So what you want to do now is long press on the power button, and you want to keep holding that button until this little LED light starts blinking rapidly. So power button, there's the power button, press and hold. They're on now, just keep holding. Now the light is blinking rapidly, and you can even hear, if you had the voice prompt, it says pairing. So as soon as that light starts blinking rapidly like that, it means the headphones are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So what you want to do now is go to your Android phone's settings. So just basically go to the Bluetooth settings. All right. So for this one, I'll open up settings and then go to connections, and then under connections, go to Bluetooth. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is on, and it's going to start scanning for available Bluetooth devices, and you should see your JBL Bluetooth, JBL Tune 770 NC. So tap on that to start the pairing process. It's going to give a pairing request, tap on pair, and that's it. So you can see the headphones are now connected for calls and audio, and 30% battery remaining. So basically that is how to connect your JBL Tune 770 to an Android phone. Literally that simple. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.